In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Blanchardville, or 9 miles southeast of Dodgeville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include western Madison, Fitchburg, Verona, Mount Horeb, Belleville, New Glarus, Blanchardville, Barneville, Blue Mounds, Dayton, Waldwick, Hallandale, Attica, Paoli, Blue Mountain St. Park, Mount Vernon, and Jonesdale. This includes the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.